artificial intelligence continues to take on a more significant role in nearly every industry, business leaders need more than just the technical skills to harness its transformative power. The true innovators will have the vision to harness AI's power strategically and responsibly. We've designed our Master of Science in Business Analytics and Artificial Intelligence specifically to prepare you for this evolving challenge.
Our program blends leading-edge AI technologies with foundational and strategic business insights. You'll master machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing while developing the business acumen to apply these tools across any industry, from finance and healthcare to marketing and supply chain management.
The program's flexibility ensures you're most prepared for the opportunities that excite you. You'll choose your path from 2 specializations. The Applied Analytics and AI track is perfect for those who want to leverage data for decision-making across various industries. The Data Science and AI option is the right choice for those wanting to build advanced AI-powered solutions. Both pathways emphasize ethical AI practices because responsible innovation is at the heart of what we do.
What sets Stevens apart? Real-world experience. Our location, just minutes from Wall Street, and the heart of the financial world, gives you unparalleled access to industry leaders, network events, and experiences that offer a competitive advantage.
At Stevens, your education becomes real-world experience through customized pathways, whether that is consulting with industry partners in our Industry Capstone program, conducting research that solves pressing business challenges, or developing your own entrepreneurial venture.
Our program bridges theory and practice using Stevens' advanced technology infrastructure, giving you hands-on experience with the same AI tools and challenges you'll face in your career.
This practical approach ensures you understand both the business implications of AI and the technology that makes it valuable.
Stevens graduates are work-ready from day one as AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and business intelligence consultants at leading organizations like Amazon, BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase, and Caterpillar.
Whether your background is in engineering, computer science, or a non-technical field, Stevens has a pathway for you. Transform your career at the intersection of business strategy and artificial intelligence. Apply today and get ready to lead the AI revolution of tomorrow.